Let's make some sausage, egg, and cheese waffle. To start, we have here some mild cheddar cheese. We have 1 egg and a greased Vienna sausage. First, you want to ensure that you grease the waffle maker. I'm experimenting with this waffle maker, this new waffle maker that I purchased. So you want to ensure that you grease the waffle maker to prevent food from sticking to the surface. Once that is done, we're just going to prepare the ingredients needed for this recipe. So first I'm going to prepare the egg. So I like my egg with a little bit of onion, so I just mince the onion, add to the container, and then I'm going to whisk everything to get the onion fully combined together with the egg. I also went ahead and add some salt. Then I'm going to cut the sausage into small pieces and add to the waffle maker. After adding the sausage, I'm going to pour the egg over the sausage. You want to ensure that you distribute the egg evenly over the surface. Afterwards, you want to ensure that the egg is well cooked based on your liking. So what I do is from time to time I just open the waffle maker and check on the egg so that it don't burn and ensure that it is cooked based on my liking. Guys, we still experiment with this waffle maker, so I'm going to try a lot more recipes using this waffle maker. This is one that I'm trying out. Comment down below and let me know if you enjoy this one and if you'd like to see more recipes using this waffle maker. After the egg is well done, I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle some cheddar cheese on top, close the lid for about 10 seconds so that we can get that cheese well melted, guys. Who no like cheese? Cheese is life. So you just cover for 10 seconds and allow the cheese to be melted. You can add the amount that you would like. Okay, so our sausage, egg and cheese waffle is now finished. So I'm just going to go ahead and add 3 slices of tomatoes, right? And then I'm going to cover it for about 5 seconds. And afterwards, I'm going to plate. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. So guys, let's try this out. Alright, so with this sausage, egg and cheese waffle, you could use 2 buns and just make a sandwich with it, but guys, today me I go use 2 national slice, right? So I'm just going to lay it onto national slice, add some mayonnaise, and breakfast is ready. Breakfast can be easy and delicious, also very creative, guys. Look at that cheese, very mouth-watering. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, guys. Me no like cross around my bread, you know, so me have to take off that, right? And then I'm going to add the waffle right there, let it sit on that bread and make a delicious sandwich, guys. You know what, nothing more than this, some chocolate tea or some grossteak tea or some mint tea or Milo or Horlicks and your good breakfast is served. So add a little mayonnaise. Enough, finish it, guys. There's a lot more in this mayonnaise bottle. Right? And then we're going to take a bite. Very mouth-watering. Look at that. This is how I like it, guys. I'm just going to take a bite. Look at that cheese. Look at that, guys. Very yummy.